Okay, so in order to get access to the free samples through Raz-Kids, you have to put in your email and your birth year. So I did that, and it'll bring you to these 6. You can listen to any of them. You can read them. There's worksheets. There's quizzes. We're going to listen to Maria Goes to School.
Maria Goes to School. Written by Susan Hartley. Illustrated by Angela Kamstra. I get my backpack. I get my pencils. I get my ruler. I get my eraser. I get my crayons. I get my sweater. I get my brother. I get my lunch. I get my hug. I get my ride.
Okay, so that's the read aloud. If you do not want the program to read to the child, they can go to the read part and just go through the story as slow or as fast as they want to. And then there's worksheets, which you have to pay for. And I'm sure the quizzes are the same way. Oh, no. You can actually do the quiz. So what is the first thing Maria gets? You know, different kinds of questions. And then the teacher can track what books they've read, what quizzes they've done, what the grades they got, all that kind of stuff. You just can't download the PDF stuff unless you actually pay for the subscription, which is like $118 a year per classroom up to 36 students. So, there you go.